The brave little caterpillar. Once upon a time, in a big green garden, there lived a tiny caterpillar named Coco. Coco was very small, soft, and slow. He lived on a green leaf and spent his days eating leaves and watching the sky. Coco loved to look at the beautiful butterflies flying around. They had colorful wings, red, yellow, blue, and orange. They looked so happy, dancing in the air. Coco also wanted to fly. He dreamed of touching the sky one day. But whenever he told others, they laughed. A big grasshopper said, "Ha ha! You are just a small worm. You can't fly." A ladybug said, "You are too slow, Coco. You will always crawl." Even the ants laughed and said, "Dreams are only for butterflies, not for you." Coco felt sad. He looked at his small body and said to himself, "Maybe they are right." But then he looked at the sky again and whispered, "I don't know how, but I will try. I want to fly too." Every day, Coco worked hard. He ate leaves and grew a little bigger. He exercised by crawling long distances on the branch. He watched the butterflies carefully, trying to learn how they flew. One day, the weather changed. The wind was strong, and dark clouds covered the sky. All the insects hid under leaves. Coco also tried to hide, but the wind blew him off his leaf. He fell down on the ground. "Oh no!" cried Coco. He was scared and tired. He thought, "Maybe I should stop trying. Maybe I am not meant to fly." Just then, an old butterfly landed near him. She had silver wings and kind eyes. "Why are you so sad, little one?" she asked. Coco told her everything: his dream to fly, how others laughed at him, and how he fell. The old butterfly smiled and said, "Don't give up, my child. You have something special inside you. When the right time comes, you will fly higher than you ever dreamed." Coco was surprised. "Really?" he asked. The butterfly nodded and said, "Yes. But you must be patient and brave. Trust yourself." Then she flew away. Coco thought about her words all night. He decided not to give up. Many days passed. Coco kept eating leaves and growing stronger. Then one morning, he felt very sleepy. His body started to spin a soft silk around itself. He didn't know what was happening. He said, "What is this? Am I making a small house?" He made a cocoon around his body and went to sleep inside it. He stayed there for many, many days. Outside, the garden changed. The flowers bloomed again, the sun shined brightly, and birds sang sweet songs. Then one day, something magical happened. Coco woke up inside the cocoon. He felt different, stronger and lighter. He pushed and pushed until the cocoon broke open. When he came out, he looked down at himself and gasped. He had wings. Big, colorful wings. He was not a caterpillar anymore. He was a beautiful butterfly. He flapped his wings and felt the air lift him up. He was flying. Coco laughed with joy. He flew high above the trees and flowers. The same grasshopper, ladybug, and ants looked at him with surprise. They shouted, "Wow! Look! It's Coco! He can fly!" Coco smiled and said, "Yes, I can fly because I never gave up." He flew to the top of a big flower where the old butterfly was resting. "Thank you," said Coco. "You were right. I had something special inside me." The old butterfly smiled and said, "Everyone has something special inside them. But only those who believe in themselves can find it." From that day, Coco became friends with all the insects. He helped small caterpillars who were scared and told them, "Don't listen when others laugh at you. Work hard, be patient, and believe, one day, you will fly too." The caterpillars listened carefully. They looked at Coco, flying proudly in the sky, and felt inspired. Coco visited his old leaf sometimes. He would sit there and remember the days when he couldn't fly. He smiled and said softly, "Dreams do come true, if we never give up." Many years passed, and the garden was full of butterflies. All of them had learned from Coco's story. They told their children, "Once there was a small caterpillar who never gave up, and he touched the sky." Moral of the story: never give up on your dreams. No matter how small or weak you are. Believe in yourself, work hard, and be patient. One day, you will fly just like Coco, the brave little caterpillar.